Tesla restarts Fremont production under Elon Musk orders. If anyone is arrested, I ask that it only be me, says Elon Musk today. Hello everyone, this is Armen Haryan from Torque News. We have a developing story that I'm going to tell you. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has confirmed that vehicle production at the Fremont factory has resumed today despite orders from Alameda County health officials. Musk has opted to take a bold stand by directly going against the orders of Alameda County health officials, though he emphasized in his tweets that he is responsible for any repercussions that may result from the Fremont factory's reopening today. Musk added that if an arrest were to be made due to the factory's reopening, he is the only one that should be apprehended. Quote, Tesla is restarting production today against Alameda County rules. I will be on the line with everyone else. If anyone is arrested, I ask that it only be me, Musk wrote on Twitter today. Prior to Tesla CEO Elon Musk's tweet, reports emerged stating that Tesla's Fremont factory is already up and running. The factory's parking lot appears to be nearly full. Reporters in the area noted that the number of vehicles on the plant's lot is comparable to that of a regular shift. CBS Bay Area affiliate KPIX reported that shift workers were seen funneling in and out of the building with personal protective equipment. Tesla has utilized the same technique at its production facility in Shanghai, China, which has been fully operational since February 10. Another Bay Area news station, Fox affiliate KTVU, reported the Fremont factory's parking lot was full of cars by the time the sun rose over Northern California on Monday. Today, May 11th, an employee called into the news station on Monday morning and stated he had been at work from 6 p.m. Sunday until 6 a.m. Monday. Late last week, Tesla CEO Elon Musk sent an email to Fremont employees stating the company would begin production at the plant during the evening hours of Friday, May 8. However, this idea was shut down by Alameda County representatives who stated that Tesla would not be permitted to reopen the factory. Elon Musk immediately mentioned that Tesla would be opening a lawsuit against the county, stating that the closure was inexplicable and ignored an order that Governor Gavin Newsom had issued earlier. Newsom noted that the manufacturing businesses were able to resume operations Friday. Following the opening of the lawsuit, Elon Musk stated that Tesla would be moving its headquarters from California to Nevada or Texas. This claim was in response to the enforced closure of the Fremont car-making plant from Alameda County officials. Tesla also released a 38-page return-to-work playbook detailing its plan to reopen the Fremont facility safely. Just about 1 hour ago, I uploaded that special report on Torque News YouTube channel, friends, discussing the details of Tesla's plan, discussing the details of Tesla's return to work playbook details. Tesla's Fremont factory employs half of the 20,000 people who work for the electric automaker in the Bay Area of California. So we can say that Tesla employs about 10,000 people in the Fremont factory. The facility produces all of Tesla's existing cars, Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. Well, friends, let me know what you think about these developments. Like I said, this is a developing story, and if there are any developments later today, I will try to report later today. So keep an eye on our channel. As you know, we bring 5 to 6 Tesla stories or automotive stories on this channel daily. And if you see something that you see is not reported here, please feel free to email me using our channel's contact information from our About page, or comment below, and I will keep an eye on the comments below. So So let's continue the discussion in the comment section below, friends, and let me know what you think about these developments. And in the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please, I ask you to join our community if you find these reports helpful. Subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and like this video to show your appreciation of all the people who helped me to bring those reports to you, and especially Teslarati for this story. And if you would like to support our channel and help us to maintain our independence, I would really appreciate buying us an animated applause once a month. Maybe it's only $2 by clicking on the applaud button, which is next to the like button, if you are watching this report and video on a desktop, because YouTube has that feature only available on a desktop. Well, friends, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the day. We'll keep an eye on the developing of this story, and we'll bring you should there be more developments. Have a blessed day.